Hi, we are back with our new video of HubSpot integration series, and in this video we are going to talk about another feature of HubSpot known as deals. So what exactly are deals? So deals are those purchases or contracts done with our customers. So how to create a deal? So this is our WhatsApp web and this is our HubSpot icon. So click on HubSpot icon and you will see a HubSpot window will appear here. So the fourth option is for deals. So click on deals. Here you see the deal option will appear. So we have not created any deal, so it's showing new deal. So we want to create a new deal, click on new deal and deal name, suppose purchase. Pipeline is sales pipeline because obviously deals are done by a salesperson. And stage is suppose trial started and amount is $20 and close date is of today. So this is all the details we have saved for our deal. So just click on save deal and you will see the deal is saved for this particular contact. And this deal will automatically be updated on HubSpot website. So how to choose it? So click on this arrow button and all the details of this website will appear here. So now what we have to do, you will see a deal option on your right side and you will see one deal which is purchase $20 for October. We have just created this deal using WhatsApp and it will automatically be updated on HubSpot. So these are the simple steps by which we can create a deal.